Alright, let me quickly show you how to delete parts of an object here in Tinkercad. Tinkercad uses a very simple modeling system. Every object is either a solid or a whole. Like you see here, you have these two options. Uh, if I take two solid objects and place them so they overlap, so I will take, for example, this one. I will size up a little bit like that. It's a little bit strange, but who cares? Now I can now I can group them. So right here, union group, or like so. And now they become one combined object. Nothing gets removed. They are just merged together. Now here's where it gets interesting. If I change one of those objects from solid to whole, so I will ungroup them. Sorry, I will change. So if I do that, so ungroup, and now I take this whole like so. I will do that, and as you can see now, I have myself a cut right over there, as you can see, like that. Now I can do one more time that you will see again. So now I will take this cube, place it, I will size a little bit this thing, just that you see how it works. Now I will group them together. Basically, I can do this straightforward, and this red box I change to whole. Now I will group them together, and bam, I made another hole on the other side. So what this means, if I do that, here you have union group, and as you can see, this cut off our primary object. So this is what makes Tinkercad so simple and beginner friendly. You can get really creative with this. There are a ton of shapes available, from basic ones to more advanced form, and all of them can be used as a holes, for example, as I showed you earlier. And that's everything for today's video. I hope this helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.